Hi everyone, today I wanted to walk you through our new Timber Statistics Hub and Statistics Dashboard. This is a recent addition to our website, trying to bring everything together in one place so members have all the information they might need right at their fingertips. If we begin, we'll just look at where you find it. It's under the Knowledge section, and then Statistics. Clicking there will bring you to this page right here. Now if we scroll down the page, the first thing we'll find is the latest monthly report. You'll find the Statistics Dashboard. You'll find the CPA Construction Market Statistics. And you'll find our latest articles on statistics. Scrolling back up the page, to navigate to the Statistics Dashboard, we'll simply click either on the picture here or this button, which will bring you over to this page right here. Now, scrolling down the page, we find the dashboard itself. The first thing you'll notice is 4 tabs at the top, which breaks up the dashboard by product category. So we're getting on softwood, but we also have hardwood, panel products, and total imports of wood. Now going back to softwoods, the first graph we have is like cubic meters in thousands by month and year. So by interactive, you'd hover over any month and it tells you the imports for that month over this 4-year period. So if we go March, we can see 599,000 cubic meters were imported in March 2016. We'll follow that right through to April, to May, to June. We also could, for example, click on any given year and it'll show us that year in isolation. We can do the same thing for a month, and then we can see the month in isolation against the rest of those totals. Alrighty, now if we go to the next page, you'll see we also have softwood imports by country and by year. Obviously Sweden's a big importer. We can sort of hover over there and see they made up 41.7% of all timber softwood imports in 2019, as well as the value of those imports and the number of cubic meters. If we scroll onto down our filter down here, we can click on another country, for example Germany, and it shows Germany in isolation. Again, we have the map here, so we can just unclick Germany, and we can actually interact with this map as well, drag around and look at different countries. Now moving on, we're just going to take a quick look at hardwoods. So hardwoods has the same kind of graph here. Every month is interactive. We can click on the years, another click to get rid of the filter, or we can click on any given month. It also has it filtered, or a dashboard for country and year. Panel products, the same. We have softwood ply imports, hardwood ply imports, particle board imports, OSB imports, and MDF imports. The final graph to show you is wood imports totals, where once again we have the 4 years of data showing the total imports of softwood, hardwood, and panel products. Click it by year, or any other way you want to filter the data. I hope this has been helpful for you, and I hope you do enjoy using the dashboard. If you do have any questions, please feel free to email us at ttf@ttf.co.uk. Thank you.